scared of life's heat? Pastor Joel Austin once said, "You are untouchable." Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego faced a fiery furnace, their hearts steady, refusing to bow. Picture flames roaring, yet they walked out untouched, their faith glowing. Daniel 3:27 says, "The fire had no power over them. Not a hair was signed. Their trust saved them. Yours will too. In this end time, Jesus will guard you if you allow Him. Stand firm and stand trust." I wrote an ebook to help people align emotion, belief, and mind with God-given destiny for you. Type download in the comments, subscribe, and click the link below to grab your ebook, 3 Steps to Flow in God right now.